Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add phone number on Temu. So if you want to order a product on Temu, it is advisable to add your phone number so that you will receive notifications whenever your orders arrive. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can add your phone number to your Temu account if you fail to do that during the process of registration. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add phone number to Temu, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Temu application, sign into your Temu account with your email and password. Then on the Temu page, just like this, locate and click on the U button on the navigation. Now, once you click on the U button on the navigation, go ahead and click on the settings icon at top right. Then on the settings page, locate and click on account security. Once you selected account security, then you see mobile phone number, click on add. Now, select your country code here and then type in your mobile phone number. After that, go ahead and click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, you see verification required, then click on OK. Now, Temu will send a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided to confirm that you are the one that is actually doing this. Now, go ahead and type in the verification code provided. And once you type in the verification code, you should say add mobile number added. You can see your mobile number now is now added. Then this is going to add additional security layer to your Temu account, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to add mobile number or phone number to Temu account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.